This is a hot melt mixer. It is used to mix the medical powders, oils and adhesives. The mixture is made homogeneous by churning, filtering and cycling in this tank. An automatic PLC-controlled coating machine is used. The medicated adhesive is fed through a gear pump to coat uniformly on the release liner. It is coated through a slot die. The GSM of the coating is controlled by the PLC. Further, it is laminated with fabric or non-woven fabric and then rewound in roll form. This is a hot melt coating machine designed specially for making various types of transdermal patches. The coated fabric and release liner roll is then transferred to the perforation and sheet cutting machine. Here is a spike roller which makes perforation through the films. Then the perforated release liner is removed and a fresh release liner is attached with the medicated fabric. Then it is cut into the required sizes in sheet form. Now this is ready to use transdermal patch.